Welcome to Show Me Two. Are you ready? So we're down here at the shop at Show Me Tent. Today's a fun day because we got cars going out. Our favorite part is when the customer picks them up because they're excited, they're hyped, they pay us. It's a lot of combination of things. We got this done a little bit early, a day early for the guy so he can enjoy some weather. This is a new C8, so you guys probably seen a lot of them, but this is all wrapped in paint protection film. Here forward, wrapped in clear self-healing film. The rockers is what we call this area right here. This is really wide right here and it's painted underneath. So it helps protect the car and it's gonna, these parts kind of stick out and this part is also wrapped in paint protection. And then we did a ceramic pro coating. See how wide this is? I mean, it's just begging rocks to jump in there. But all this piece is all protected. You don't have to worry about anything like that anymore. He can drive it, he can enjoy it, he can get on it, enjoy some of the sunshine. I bet he drops the top. Yeah, he's gonna take the top off. I would. You know, so it's just a fun car and we're glad to get it done. We got another car going out very close. Like we're like this close to sending two out and they're both white. There's matte white, gloss white. Right now they're working on the final touches. Just as you can imagine, like customers coming to pick up. We're coming down to the deadline. It's happening right now. All hands on deck. We're trying to put stuff together. Stuff's like, hey, where's the screw at? Oh, who had that bolt? You know, it's a little hectic. You can pick up on the energy. It's like, we're down to the wire, but it's happening. It's all coming together like a Swiss clock. Everybody's doing final checks. You're checking everything. You're checking all the edges. You know, we want to make sure that we don't miss anything. Then we're going to clean the whole thing up for the customer and get him down here. And this one's still got to get the tinting. It's going to be tomorrow. It'll probably be tomorrow if that was done. The SUV still needs tinted. We need to let Austin, and if he's got time to help Andre, wrap up a windshield instead of fronts. Our guy Drew, you know, the burnout guy, Skid for Kids, he actually won a trophy for burnouts. I just didn't even know that was a thing, but it is apparently. So he won it from this Cleetus and Cars. He's big on YouTube, you know what I mean? So maybe they should like, you know, subscribe or something. That'd be cool. But like, I guess so he goes to this Freedom Factory. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that, Freedom Factory. Yeah, they did a big burnout competition and he won. That's pretty cool for him. He's been mastering this craft for a while. So like, it's, you know, it's really just going out and cutting loose and ripping it, you know, but he does so well, he got a trophy. So that's super dope, you know. We've been jamming today. We've been jamming it out. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We're just doing whatever. We're getting a little closer by the day. I think this guy's ready to burn out of here. We'll get him on the road. Maybe we can get a little shot of him taking off in this thing. So time for him to hit some sunshine and miles. All right, we're sending this out on the road. This is a C8 wrapped in paint protection film, ceramic pro coating, some ceramic window film, all the stuff you need to keep your car fresh and clean. And he's gonna hit the streets. He's hitting the road, man. He's gonna take off and enjoy the summer day, man. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate you. Yep, thank you. I love it when it comes together like this. Thank you. Another happy customer. We love that. All right, and he paid us. That's good. We get to have all this fun and we do it. We don't even do it for free. Andre'd probably do this for free though, huh, Andre? No charge after 6. When we got this wrap going out, we couldn't make to the tent because everybody's working on it. So we're trying to get this to the customer too. And Andre's staying a little late, knocking it out. Very loyal guy for the shop. He always comes through. No, he stays with it all day long. All right. Yeah, make sure you stop by the shop, buy some merch. Now, we don't have any merch for sale. We give it to you though if you stop by. Say you saw this on YouTube, just be like, hey, give me a shirt. I saw this on YouTube. You said you give me one. Why supplies last, obviously, because I only have so many. We're getting this ready. I'm gonna help Andre wrap this one up. He's got a little bit of work to do. It's getting late in the day. So I'm gonna see if I can help him at all. And yeah, we appreciate you checking it out. Make sure you do like and subscribe it and check us out. We're gonna have a lot of fun this summer. You do not wanna miss what's gonna happen because it's gonna get wild. We'll have a good time. Thanks guys. All right, see you later. All right, back to work.